If you have a slower computer, the easiest way to reduce lag during playback is to lower the playback resolution. To do this, expand this drop-down and select quarter from the menu. As the name suggests, this will reduce your resolution to 1/4 of the frames. The next way you can reduce lag is to pre-render the clip before playing it back. Move your timeline slider to where you want to begin the render and push I to set an in marker. Then move it again to the end point and push O to set an out marker. Now go over to Sequence and click on Render In to Out, and Premiere will render the sequence, and once complete will play back without any lag. The last way to reduce playback lag is to use proxies. Go over to your project window and highlight your videos, then right-click and select Proxy, Create Proxies. Under Frame Size, select Quarter, then expand Preset and select H.264 MP4 Proxy and click OK. Adobe Media Encoder will then open and begin processing your videos. Once complete, you can enable proxies by clicking the button in the button editor. You will know the proxy is active by this little symbol on your video, so now whenever you play back this video, it will always be fast.